Most of the time when we're working on your spine, we can use a lot of different ways. Most of the time, most people know about chiropractic adjustments is using a hand adjustments, like a manual adjustments, which we will put our hand in certain joints in your neck and it will adjust it and get it moving better. And it will create some cracking and popping noises during the process as well. Now, we have a lot of options in terms of working on the spine. So we can also use one of these tools here is a specific instrument called the ArthroStim Chiropractic Adjustment tool. So instead, we'll put it into your neck and it will start to creating some movement in the area that we assessed it and then find that there's a restriction there. Now, it does not create any popping and cracking noises. However, it can also be very specific and effective to get you feeling better, moving better, and also start to function better. I'm Dr. Lam from Cedar Hill Sport Therapy at BetterBack Clinic. If you want to know more about it, click the link below or even book an assessment with one of our chiropractors.